Wow. No, this look, sorry. Okay. Hold the phone like this and oh, what Slytherin vibes. Oh my god, look at it. Looks like shooting stars, honestly. Why does the colours not come up? Oh, how are you right about that?
Purple and red.
I'm gonna have to sound the sound off of this. I'm literally coughing in the video. Imagine if you were YouTubers vlogging this. Oh my god. What do British YouTubers have that American YouTubers don't? Bonfire night. They don't have fireworks, do they? Oh, that is so cool. Oh my god. I kind of wish it was New Year now, because if it was, then we could be more excited. Like, it's pretty, but if we count down like we did now, it would be Happy New Year. Oh, so sick. Yeah. I've got the first part. So the beginning part I did on my Snapchat. The second part I did on another video, and this is my third one. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you see? Oh my god. Oh, it's like shooting stars. Oh wait, is that a plane? Look, is that a plane? The red... What's moving? It's literally moving. Whoa! Oh my god. If it is a plane, like... Maybe it is a plane because it's actually moving. Or maybe it's a drone. Wow. Whoa. I love the colourful ones. Whoa. Scares me a bit. Yeah, and you know, it feels like it's like hitting you, like, you know? Fireworks. They're so beautiful. realised I can take pictures on the video. When it's like a lot, then I will. I think that's actually a drone. Imagine if that drone just gets destroyed. I know. Somehow it has it. It's normally 10-15 minutes or so. Whoa. Wow, that was big. Like, oh yes, I should have. Wait. I love the colourful one. Oh, that's so cool.
Where did it go? Oh my god, I took a picture of that. I didn't know that.
Oh my god. Whoa. I'm probably taking a gazillion photos. Yeah.
Take a photo.
Imagine if none of these photos turn up. That would be so depressing. Either I have a million photos or none photos. Oh my god. Oh! It's cold, but it's worth it. Hold it with me for a second. Only for a second, and then make the fireworks. Did you get me in?
No, I didn't.
Oh no, I was taking photos in the video. how they're hugging. It's so cute. Can you try and take away system? Press that button, the corner one, okay? When it comes up. You see me? Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yeah, I did it.
Why didn't you tell me? That scared me. I think. My camera roll after this. This must cost so much money. Whoa. And they keep going. Oh, this is gonna be a big one. Oh. These are gonna be my lock screen and every. Oh, the blue one!
I still feel like you're all the way there.
I generally always feel like it's gonna fall on us. Because it feels so close but so far. Ooh. Whoa. People must get paid a lot to do this though. Oh. That is so pretty. Oh my god. They got bored probably. I know, but you know, kids' attention span. Oh, look at them. Look at the family in front of us. This video is 13 minutes. Make that 14. I'm gonna stop it at 15 minutes because
Maybe you can set it up
of a 15-minute video. Oh, look at that one. That went high. Oh. My storage is gonna die. What do I do with this?
save it.
I'll post it on Instagram or something.
I sent it to me.
I'll post it on YouTube.
You sent it to me.
Yeah, I will.